Welcome everyone, it's Kastas Pell and I am here doing another video about my candle kits. And these candle kits I just made, I spent a whole month creating these kits and I wanted to showcase them in a really easy way of how to use them. I really wanted to show you an easy way of how to work with them. It doesn't always have to be this elaborate ritual with chants from 3 different individuals. If your intent is raw and honest and pure through you, there's no holy intent, there's no bad intent, no evil intent. It's just intent in itself. All right, so when working with these spells, you want to, again, be raw, be honest, because it's your magic. No one else has a foothold in your shit unless you give them the room to. Unless you give them the room to. And that's an agreement that you make in your magic. Feel free to carve what is your intent or your sigil or particular words or someone's name that you're working for, things like that. But feel free to add that to the candle. And when I work with my candles, I actually talk to them. I don't see them as a candle per se, because I'm working in a whole nother realm here. I'm working in spirit realm. In the physical realm, it manifests as a candle. But in the spirit realm, my candles are used as messengers. They're used as the carrier of that intent. If you're working with deities or your own self-deification, this is the time to start talking to them, to start communicating with them. And when you have those 4 pillars and you've scribed in these 4 pillars and you've spoken to the messenger, the spirit of these candles, look at the document or the photo that you have and place 4 pillars on the corners. What you're doing is setting your own foundation now. You're literally marking the corners of your own foundation. That means you're creating the realm for that justice to be tipped in your favor. You're creating a foundation. You're creating a realm. You're setting it up. So that's why they have particular placements and particular settings for rituals and spells, because they mean something. There's a purpose for it, okay? And in working with those 4 pillars, feel free to dress them, to put the oil, the herbs. They all have a purpose. Give them a fucking purpose. Give them one. It's not just for it to be oil or just to be a set of herbs. Yes, they have a purpose. They are particular herbs used in court victory and in legal victory. Why the hell should it just be that? It's your work, it's your magic. They must have a purpose for you. They must have a purpose from you. I personally like to dress the document or the photo in oil and in my herbs. I smear it if I have to. There's no particular way that you can do it, because you know what I'm gonna say. Be creative, go with your spirit. That's the rawness of your magic. And that's what spirits want. That's what they crave. That's what they feed off of. That's what they listen to. They don't listen to dishonesty. They know dishonesty. Trust. And then light them bitches. Just light them bitches. Let the flame of those candles transport all of that fucking shit to a different realm. Let it do its job. Leave it the fuck alone. Okay? Leave it the fuck alone. It's got it. It's got all the shit you need to put in that bitch. Stop doubting your shit. That's why rawness and honesty is the foundation of magic. So when you have that set up, allow it to be and watch it manifest. Spirit's got this. Spirit does what it needs to do. It's more than just a thing. It's more than just some spooky thing going on. So, if you really about that shit, know that shit about to pop off. Shit's about to be funny. And there's always chaos in it. But chaos is what you want. That's where everything comes from. That darkness, that subtlety. That's where the magic comes from. So be honest in your work, be raw, continue to do what you do and stand on it. And I will talk to you guys on another day.